Hi friends, welcome back to Mymoonas kitchen with Shaariq. Today we are going to see how to make a beef roast. It's a beef pepper roast and let's see how to prepare. For this we need 1 kg of beef. I have just cooked the beef in the cooker so that I can make it easy. Ingredients to make this beef is bay leaf, 1 cup of curd, 2 tablespoons of garam masala and pepper as much as required, 2 tomatoes ground into a paste, ginger garlic paste, ginger oil and coconut oil. Come, let's see how to prepare it. I have already boiled the meat and now let's see how it's cooked and shift it to the vessel which we need. Every ingredients are ready for making the recipe and come, let's start. The meat is cooked well, you can see it, and I have added a little bit of water and boiled the meat. So we'll take the water aside and keep it. We'll need the water later to add it into the roast. Now take a non-stick kadai and add 2 tablespoons of ginger oil and coconut oil as much as required. Now take the beef and let the beef get fried in this oil. Now the beef is getting cooked in the oil. You can just add the leaf. This is biryani leaf. Also you can add bay leaves so that you get a very good flavor. And now also in few minutes you can just add ginger garlic paste and salt as much as required. After adding the ginger garlic paste, you can just add pepper powder and garam masala. But don't add all, add only half and cook it. And finally, when we switch the flame, we can add little bit of pepper powder and garam masala. So keep a little bit and just add half of the quantity which is with you. Now give a good mix. Beef is cooked well and it has also got fried and it got thick. Now we can add the tomato paste so that you get a little bit of gravy. You can eat it with chapati and parota. It's very tasty. So try it. I think so you guys will love this recipe. If you like, comment and also please don't forget to share it with your friends. Now the tomato is cooked and finally you can add the curd and mix it well. You see how yummy it looks. And now we can add the balance pepper powder which we kept and give it a good mix. Also add the garam masala and mix it well. Now the recipe is done and we have the water that which we have boiled the meat. We can add that water and just cook it for a few minutes so that the water is fully evaporated. We can cook it in a low flame without a lid and the gravy of this is really fantastic. Please don't forget to subscribe. Also press the bell icon. Until next, take care. Bye bye.